Alright, inflation test, custom garage, indoor bounce house. It's very slender, designed to fit in between the rails of a garage door system. Alright. Got a basketball hoop. Very sharp. Yeah, blower. You got a right angle so you can keep it compact down that aisleway in the garage. You have your anchor points on all four sides. Zipper to let the air out. Got an opening big enough for an adult. Basketball hoop. Should be some fun. On top, you can't see it. Maybe you can. Right there, there's little alligator clips for the roof.